Okay, there's a dog behind this fence. He's clearly... Two dogs? Okay, all right. Yeah, he's clearly dialed in. Good job. Good job. This is excellent. Good job. Good job. So why don't you try to give him...
I'm going to walk him against the fence.
Yeah, exactly. Good job. Leave that. There you go. He was reactive to the dogs, and now he's not. There you go. Good job. Good job. Yeah, they're still there. I hear him snorting. Good job. Good job. Uh-huh. Good job. He's looking like I'm doing it right. Where's my treat? Good boy. Oh, you're mugging for the camera, huh? Yeah. There you go. Good job.